Hi students, today topic is treatment of water. What is treatment of water? Treatment of water nothing but water is collected from surface sources or subsurface sources. When the raw water is changed to soft water or either used to drinking water, that is treatment of water. In the process of treatment of water, different stages is there. Stages nothing but sedimentation with coagulation, and next after completion of coagulation, filtration, chlorination, and using of these types of coagulants, water is some hardness is there, and when the water having hardness, and that one is changed to softening. After completion of softening, next one is storage. Storage nothing but storage, and after storage, that one is distribution point of view. This is the criteria for the treatment of water. When the raw water is collected from the sources of water to the softening of water, in the process is treatment of water. Yeah. Before discussing this topic, um, important words is there. The words are definitions nothing but water pollutions, water quality standards, and quality of waters, and the characters of waters. Clear? What is water pollution? Water pollution nothing but when the water containing different types of color point of view, taste, odor, smell, and some organic and inorganic compounds, and having a huge amount of bacteria is there. These are placed in or living in the raw water content. That is when water is changed to polluted. Clear? Water pollution. Water pollution can be defined as the alteration in physical, chemical, and biological characters of water through natural or human activities, and making it is useful for the unsuitable for its designated usage. Clear? That is nothing but basic consumption of water for the human usage, or some of the industries, or some of the commercial usages. Before usage, before going to this usage, water having some physical impurities nothing but either the water is not having a color, sorry, having color, and having some odor and smell. These are types of impurities in particularly water, and also having some chemicals. Chemical characters are chemical impurities. Chemical impurities nothing but either the water content pH value is more than 7 or less than 7. That is either alkaline state or in base state and acid state. Clear? And biological characters are bacteriological characters. That is nothing but either the water in the water content having too much bacteria. These bacteria cause to uh, human diseases or etc etc. That one is biological or bacteriological content characters here, and these are the waters. These are in the waters. Human activities and making it unsuitable for its designated or usage point of view. Clear? Next, water quality standards. Water quality standards nothing but the usage of water containing different types of standards is there. Before the water quality standards, the color nothing but particularly the color is indicated. That one is water is having no color. It's a transparent. Before this one is using to test the color test is nothing but platinum cobalt scale, and in this scale should not exceed the 20. That one is in the scale digits is there and our value is there. No units in the scale 20 is there. Taste and order. Taste and order nothing but Either polluted water having different type of taste and odor is there. And how to remove that is nothing but threshold number should not be more than 3 or etc. etc. That is one type of test in particularly taste and odor. And also having a temperature is balanced, that is in the should not exceed the 10 degrees centigrade. These are in particularly main in water quality standards. And also turbidity. Turbidity means either dirt particles, that is in should not at 5 to 10 ppm. And also chlorides, so dissolved gases, and also hardness, pH values, and also organic and inorganic compounds, so total solids. Either these are particular in following index of properties, nothing but in between the range, nothing but chlorides. Chlorides nothing but should not exceed the 250 mg per liter. These types of elements nothing but chlorides or dissolved gases, oxygens, or pH values tested in laboratory. Next, quality of water. Quality of water nothing but the parameters of water which are required to test for determining the quality of water. Clear? These tests are clear. These parameters are used to test either water having quality or not. What are the tests? Particularly in physical parameter, chemical parameter, microbiological or bacteriological parameters. Clear? First one is physical parameters. Physical parameters nothing but already discussing that one is physical parameters nothing but color, taste and odor, and turbidity, and mainly temperature. These are the main parameters of water quality. Clear? Color. Color is nothing but undesirable in water and containing this type of water is used particularly injurious to human health. And also using this type of water used to domestic purpose like washing clothes or etc etc. The quality of cloths or shirts is reduced. Clear? The color in water is measured by an instrument is nothing but tintometer. Tintometer. Clear? The intensity of color is measured in a cobalt scale, that is in instrument nothing but clear, that is in a laboratories the color test is nothing but measured in a cobalt scale by comparing the two sides. It's containing this one is there. This one is there. The unit of standard color is produced by dissolving 1 mg of platinum cobalt in 1 liter of distilled water. The unit of color is expressed by a number as indicated in cobalt scale, that is nothing but less than 10. And the second one is taste and odor. Clear? Taste and odor. This is nothing but water may come due to the presence of strong smelling and waste products discharge from industries or etc etc. And also it may be due to dead microorganisms or animals and some dissolved gases. These are nothing but hydrogen sulfides or methane, carbon dioxide having, and the taste and odor is generated. The odor is generally expressed as a fishy and earthy, grassy, and basically it is measured by instrument as basically same like that osmoscope which containing a tube or inhaling the odor of water to the tested by diluting in order to free water. In particularly the potable water, the particular osmosis which is having scale is not, that is nothing but a scale. In the scale, the number should not be more than 3. Clear? And next one is turbidity. Nothing but silt or grit particles. The colloidal matters like silt and clay impart turbidity to water. It is expressed as a part per million ppm. The permissible turbidity for potable water should be permeable. That one is entered. That one is a small. That one is permeability layer. Nothing but should be 5 to 10 ppm. The turbidity can be measured by turbidity rod. That is also in laboratory. Mm, turbidity rod is containing a aluminum rod which is graduated tape provided on the top rod for making the position of this one is turbidity and for measuring the turbidity the rod is gradually lowered in a water. Then a position will come when needle will just disappear under standard light condition. The depth of water at position is noted from the bar. This reading gives the turbidity of water in ppm. Clear? Next one, temperature. Temperature nothing but the treatment, particularly in water. The sample of water should be collected at a temperature below the particular 15 degrees centigrade. The temperature is observed by a thermometer by which the atmospheric temperature is recorded. The temperature of potable water should be above 10 degrees centigrade to 25 degrees centigrade. And next one is chemical parameters. Chemical parameters nothing but nothing but pH value, hardness, chlorides, nitrogen and its compounds, alkalinities. These are the parameters like water having standards of a particular either water is quality or not in particularly. Clear? Nitrogen compound nothing but free ammonia, nitrates, and that is nothing but nitrates are detected by the converting these ammonia and they are measured by comparing the standard colors. Basically, chlorides nothing but presence of sodium chloride in excess in injurious to human health, so it should be removed or brought down to a permissible limit. The potable water, the permissible limit is 200 mg per liter. That is nothing but 200 ppm. Clear? Next, dissolved gases. Dissolved gases nothing but like oxygen and carbon dioxide, hydrogen sulfides basically. The dissolved oxygen, the sample of water is exposed to atmosphere for 4 hours at a 27 degrees centigrade, which is a solution of potassium permanganate of 10% concentration. Basically, the quantity of oxygen observed in the associated in potable water dissolved oxygen should be 5 to 10 ppm. Clear? Carefully listen. The potable water, the dissolved oxygen should be about 5 to 10 ppm. Clear? Next one, pH value. pH value nothing but acidity and alkalinity of water. The acidity is caused due to the presence of mineral acids, free carbon dioxide, sulfates of iron and aluminum, acids, and etc. The alkalinity is acidity or alkalinity, salts and base, acids and base. The alkalinity is caused due to the presence of bicarbonates of sodium, calcium, and magnesium. Here, basically, these are the parameters. Either water having quality or not. Yeah. And next one is bacteriological or microbiological parameters. That is nothing but when the water always containing or having some bacteria, that is nothing but which can be detected by microscope or in that different types of instrument used to find out the bacteria is there or not. Again, the bacteria may be of basically different types is there. That is nothing but pathogenic bacteria, non-pathogenic bacteria. Pathogenic bacteria nothing but having waterborne diseases. And non-pathogenic bacteria nothing but non-harmful bacteria. Yeah, harmful bacteria nothing but these types of bacteria caused due to the typhoid, cholera, different types of the non-pathogenic bacteria is basically not harmful, but basically that one is bacteria. Clear? These are the parameters in particular in water. Clear? Okay. Next, effects of water pollution. Effects of water pollution nothing but either different types of materials are waste in settled in surface or in that water layers. That one is due to after settled, the position is polluted. Clear? Sediments. Excessive amount of soil particles carried by the following water, flowing water. When there is a several soil erosion, sediments, clogged reservoir and channel. Basically, this type of sediments, aquatic life in particular, reservoirs, channels, destroy the aquatic life, and oxygen demanding in organic waste, animal waste, plant debris, and waste from the paper mills and food processing facilities. Bacteria can decompose the organic waste, and in the process, they deplete oxygen and can cause the death of fish and other aquatic life. When the this type of wastage is sediments, when the animal waste, basically dead animals, that is nothing but when the wastage is settled, basically oxygen is reduced, and the oxygen is reduced cause of death either in aquatic life, that is nothing but fish and other animals lives in water. Clear? Next, infectious microorganisms. These are the images in basically microorganisms are nothing but a bacteria. It is either pathogenic bacteria or non-pathogenic bacteria. That is nothing but harmful bacteria or non-harmful bacteria. Clear? Next one, water flow. Water flow nothing but when the starting stage of water nothing but sources of water. The sources in the image, the sources of water nothing but surface sources of water. The first stage is sources of water, and the second stage is treatment. Clear? The second stage is treatment. After treatment, that one is going to next stage is storage water. The storage water nothing but the water is too much amount or consumption of water in particular communities. Different huge amount of or huge quantity of water is there. After completion of storage of water, then go to testing in laboratory. After completion of testing, the water is drinking, distributed in drinking. Clear? Okay. The topic is water treatment. What is water treatment? Water treatment nothing but water from the surface sources may have some characters, some characteristics which are unsuitable for human consumption. These characters in water unsuitable for human consumptions or usages, and industrial usages, commercial usages, domestic usages, different types of usages in particularly in community. Clear? And having particular water is different characters is there. The characters nothing but in water turbidity is there, and also in water containing color, and also acids, salts, gases. These are these are parameter. These are characters in water which have corrosive action and may impart hardness of water. And particularly some amount of bacteria. Already different types of bacteria is there. That one is pathogenic bacteria, non-pathogenic bacteria is there. These are the characters in particular water. These character, when the characters is placed in water, the water is particularly must and should treated. That one is next. Flow diagram of treatment plant. Flow diagram nothing but a step-by-step procedure of water treatment. First of all, this one is a river. River nothing but intake point or sources point. The river collecting water through intake point. Next one is pump house. Through with the help of pump house. Next plain sedimentation, coagulation, filtration, chlorination, water softening, overhead reservoirs, next directly to the consumers. That is nothing but these are the step-by-step procedures of treatment of water. Clear? Okay. What is these are the intake points. That one is these are the step-by-step procedure about treatment of water. That is intake point, pump house, plain sedimentation, in tank, coagulation tank, filtration unit, chlorination unit, water softening plant, overhead reservoir. Clear? Functioning of these elements nothing but intake point. Intake point nothing but the functioning of this unit. Clear? The functioning of intake point nothing but collected water in the intake well. Intake well nothing but in the image is in the image the river is there. Intake well nothing but river. So the water is collected from the river. Basically perennial supply. That one is throughout the water is available. Clear? Next one is pump house. What is the functioning of pump house? Nothing but the function of this pump house is nothing but draw water from the intake well. That is nothing but a river and supply to the some treatment plant. That one is usage of a pump house. Next one, plain sedimentation. Sedimentation nothing but the total particles are settled in tank. That one is plain sedimentation. That is nothing but remove the heavier or weight of suspended particles in water. In this tank, the water is detained or wait for some period or some time, or allowed to the flow at very low velocity. So the water, particular in detention period, heavier or weight suspended particles are settled down at the time at the bottom of the sedimentation tank. But some lighter particles or small weight particles still remaining in suspension. Suspension nothing but moving position. Clear? That is in a plain sedimentation tank. Process of water treatment. Next one, coagulation tank. Coagulation nothing but used to this coagulation is used to remove the lighter or small suspended particles by the application of application nothing but using some coagulants. Using some coagulants in this process. In this process, some coagulants is mixed with coagulants nothing but alum and chlorine. This one is in coagulation. Either this one is available in powder formation or liquid formation. The coagulants is when the coagulants is used, the functioning of the coagulants is nothing but lighter particles to gain the settle size and lighter particles to gain the size. Lighter particles is in the process, suspended process, lighter particles is sticker to larger particles and settle size and settle down. When the particles having weight, settle the bottom. Clear? That is in the main functioning of coagulation is nothing but small particles containing weight. When the particles containing weight to settle the bottom of the tank, that is nothing but sedimentation. Clear? Next one is filtration. Filtration. Filtration nothing but remove the finer and small colloidal particles in water. And in this process, some bacteria is there. When the bacteria is having produced filter media, that is nothing but sand and gravel. Clear? This is the basic basic property used to detention or retaining the bacteria. Next one, that one is in filtration beds is there. Next one is chlorination tank or chlorination unit. That one is nothing but chlorine is either in powder formation or in that liquid formation. When the chlorine is used to in water, the destroy the bacteria in different stages is there. When using chlorination, that one is chlorination. Next one is water softening. That is nothing but the coagulants, nothing but when the coagulations and chlorination is used, the water having some hardness is there. Um, hardness is there, and this is the nothing but to remove the hardness of water to make it fit for commercial purpose or domestic purpose or different types of consumptions is there. That is nothing but water softening. This is in last of flow diagram, that is in water softening point or unit. Next one is overhead reservoir. Overhead reservoir nothing but the functioning of this unit is nothing but stored the purified water of the treatment is completed. The completion of treatment of water is then water is directly supplied to the consumers with the help of pressure pumps or in gravity systems. That is in flow diagram of the treatment of water plant. Clear? Next, what is sedimentation? Sedimentation is nothing but the water particles are settled at bottom. That is sedimentation. Clear? Clearly explanation about sedimentation. Particles which do not having which do not change their shape and size and weight, particularly in settled down. That is in discrete particles. The suspended impurities in water consist of discrete particles such as inorganic solids having a specific gravity about 2.65. Clear? Not change the shape and size and weight. That is nothing but inorganic compounds. Inorganic compounds nothing but in fluids or in water, the compound, the particles not melting. That one is not change the shape and position and size. That one is inorganic. That is in the range is 2.65. Organic solids nothing but urea, ammonia. That one is this one is organic compound. This one is specific gravity is 1.04 to 1.20. That one is organic compounds. The phenomena of settlement is known as hydraulic substances. Basically, lighter particles cannot settle down due to the force of gravity. Such particles are converted to settle by size by some coagulants in water using. We are using. Clear? When this process, the velocity of flow of water and size and shape of particles and viscosity of water. These parameters are used to depends the settlement of particular particles. Clear? Some formula is there. Having some formula nothing but V is equal to 418 of S minus S1 of D square of 3T plus 70 of 100. That one is velocity of flow in mm per second, specific gravity of particles, specific gravity of water, diameter of particle, temperature in particular centigrade. Next one, purpose of sedimentation. Purpose of sedimentation nothing but to reduce the heavy settled particles before enter into the coagulation tank or next chamber and reduce the coagulation. Coagulation is more easy and reduce the amount of coagulants. Amount of coagulants nothing but using of that particular coagulants. Reduce the cost of coagulation process and also that is nothing but working of other treatment process more efficient. This is the purpose of sedimentation. Next one, sedimentation tank. That is in two types, rectangular tank and a circular tank. This one is a basic rectangular tank. That is nothing in section and plan. When the water, raw water is enter into this one, buffalo walls. Buffalo walls nothing but the water is detained for some period is there. This process, the velocity of water in low level or in that very low. In this process, having weight and shape particles are in the detention period of water. The weight particles are settled at bottom. Clear? When low velocity of water containing slowly to move the process, that is in outlet. That one is exit pipe. These process particles having settled at the bottom. That is in rectangular tank construction masonry. Next one. Clear? Detention period is 4 to 6 hours. The width of tank is 10 to 12 meters. So this is the width of tank. And next one is the hydraulic substance. The particles is more. The velocity of flow kept within 15 centimeters to 30 centimeters per minute. The velocity of raw water is flow in 15 to 30 centimeters is there. And next one is circular tank. This one is a circular position. This one is a cross section, and the top view position having some circular shape. Clear? This one driving unit. That one is circularly rotating. That one is inlet. Air is air. Air is hesitating. When the air is hesitating, the colloidal particles and small particles containing bottom of the layer. Again, the process is sedimentation. The circular sedimentation tank having a radial or spiral flow, but the tank with radial flow is commonly adopted. In this tank, the water is allowed to enter through the pipe. That one is. In this tank, the water is allowed to the inlet pipe which is provided at the center. The water flows upwards gently through the opening. The water is collected at the circular draft channels from where it is taken to the next unit through the outlet pipe. The sedimentation are particularly the sediments are settled down at the bottom of the tank. The driving unit is provided for rotating arm. This one is rotating arm, which consists of a basically rotating arm, scraper, sludge, scrap, nothing but removing the particular particles and the circular draft channels. And this is the sludge. Okay, this one is screening. This is in sludge removal position. Here, next one, coagulation tank. Next, that one is a coagulation tank. Coagulation inlet chamber, feeding device, and mixing device. That is nothing but inlet after completion of sedimentation process. The water is entered into the coagulation. This one is coagulants used are placed in water, feeding chamber and mixing chamber. Water is added by coagulants. After adding that one is mixing chamber, and that one is this is also clear. Sludge removal nothing but when coagulant is used, the small colloidal particles also getting a shape and size. That is nothing but sludge removal. Next one of the important jar test for finding the dose of coagulants. Jar test. This one is a jar test. These are the jars. rotating arms. Here, rotating arms. Particularly, these jar test is used in particular treatment of water, nothing but remove the sometimes of some amount of turbidity or in that different positions is there. Clear? During this process of coagulation and sedimentation, the dosage of coagulants in detention period, particularly determined in laboratory by jar test. In this test, the operators are usage elements consists of several jars. These are the jars. Several jars containing capacity difference is there. That one is basically 1 to 2 liters. The jars are placed in base plate. Spindles are provided in each jar. Spindles carry pedals at a lower end. Spindles nothing but rods with rotating arms. Clear? The water is poured into the jars, placed in jars, and different quantities of coagulants are added in water for each jar. The driving unit, clear? Driving unit. With the help of a motor, the driving unit is started with the initial speed of amount 40 rpm rotation per minute, which is the rotation of the shaft. The pedals also rotated and the coagulations are mixed thoroughly with water. After 5 times, the speed of motor is reduced and continued for about 10 minutes. Then the driving unit is stopped about completion. 30 minutes formation flux in each jar is observed. The amount of coagulant which produced the good flux is considered and the required quantity for the treatment of that plant, particularly sample of water. And the basically using that how much amount of dosage of coagulants is used. Clear? And basically these coagulations are used. Light suspended particles are also removed. That is in jar test. Clear? Next one, design aspects of a sedimentation tank. Design aspects nothing but basically design in position, velocity of flow, detention in tank dimension. Velocity of flow nothing but when the water is enter into the chamber, the flow velocity of water is the flow velocity of or in that speed of particular flow is should be considered. Next one, detention period. Detention period nothing but waiting period. Waiting. After enter into the chamber, the waiting period of water is nothing but 3 to 4 hours. Clear? Tank dimension. Basically nothing but the minimum depth of tank should be 2.5 meters. Depth, that one is depth. The width of rectangular tank should be 10 to 12 meters. The length should be 3 to 4 times of width of the tank. This is the basic dimensions or design of a sedimentation tank. Okay. These are the basic primary treatment of water process. Thank you.